Hi everyone, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Today I have for you a real small, few items haul from Walmart, and it's just a few gift ideas that you might find for that loved one or friend. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let me start it. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. I do DIYs, hauls, get ready with me, and vlogs. And I'm beginning to start getting more into doing them again since I'm on the 4th and 18th of December. I'm having the surgeries for my cataracts, and I'll be able to see again to do all that stuff. And if you like today's video, go ahead and leave a comment and make sure you click that like button. That way I know to keep bringing you all videos like this. Excuse me, but my voice is kind of coming and going. But I'll try to make it work. Okay, first is this Stetson. This bottle is Stetson cologne. It was only around $26. Now they also have some gift sets there too. Some for $20, $15, $20, $25, and $30. But this is the big bottle. It's a real good gift idea for, like I said, that loved one or that special friend, or for you to buy for yourself. And let's see, another gift idea is this Axe gift set. This one has the body wash. Let's see if I can get this open again for you all. It has the body wash, the body spray, and oh, this one's not open yet. It's got the body wash, the body spray, and the deodorant. And they also, the Walmart I went to, they had testers. They have like 3 or 4 different kinds of these. And these were only $15. And then there's this one I can show you because it was opened. It's the body wash, the deodorant, and the spray. And it's like a citrus scent. It smells real good. This is how big the bottle is. There's the ounces so you can see it. I would tell you, but I can't see because for people who's seen my videos before, it's because of my cataracts. And here's the can of body spray and the big thing of deodorant. But let me show them all to you. That way you get an idea how big they are. And they last a long time. And the last thing is, it's a good little gift idea. I already showed this on a haul, but it's a gingerbread house and the little village accessories. And this is a real good way to get someone or for yourself to start a cute little village, or just, you know, a cute little one gingerbread, and then next year add another one. But that's it today for the small gift ideas from Walmart, and I'll be getting a lot more and doing some until a couple weeks before Christmas. That way it'll give you time to see it and go to your Walmart or walmart.com. Alright, thanks a bunch for stopping by and checking out my channel. Hugs and kisses from Kentucky. Bye-bye.